Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the lock is a resettable combination cable type and that you have a thin tool like a paperclip or small screwdriver. With the current code visible, insert the tool into the reset pin or press the reset lever. This disengages the tumblers so you can change numbers. Once engaged, make sure the mechanism feels loose and ready. You're now in the state where turning dials will set the new code without jamming the teeth. Now keep the reset pin depressed or the lever held. This maintains the internal alignment so the tumblers accept a new sequence. Rotate each dial deliberately, pausing at the guideline so each wheel's notch seats cleanly. This prevents a false set. Once all digits are chosen, release the reset pin briefly and re-engage to confirm the mechanism captured the combination. Make sure to test the code by locking and unlocking once or twice. Finish by locking the cable and entering your new code, then test it 2 or 3 times to ensure reliability. If the dials slip or it won't open, return to the reset step. Clear the wheels to a neutral position, reinsert the reset tool, and set the digits again slowly. Improper alignment is the usual culprit. If the reset pin is stiff or the mechanism sticks, use a light lubricant and gentle taps. Avoid forcing parts, because that can break the plastic teeth and make the lock irreparable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.